everyone, welcome to Polish Mama Cooks. Today I would like to show you how to prepare a perfect autumn and winter side dish. Kapusta z grzybami or sauerkraut with mushrooms. It's perfect for cutlets, for schnitzels or for roast meats. You're gonna need a bit of dry mushrooms that you need to rehydrate and cook, a bit of sauerkraut and carrots, 3 ingredients, so nothing else. So let's start.
You have to start with dehydrating the mushrooms overnight and then cook it for about 15-20 minutes. With the sauerkraut, I wash it well from the acid and then cook it for 20 minutes. In the meantime, I chop the onion and then heat up the frying pan so I can fry my onion. While the sauerkraut is cooking and the onion is frying, I peel and then grate some carrots. I add it to my sauerkraut and mix it all well with the cabbage. Next, I add the water from under the mushrooms. It has a lot of taste, so never waste it. I also take out the mushrooms and chop them very finely. I add them to the cabbage and also add my fried onion. I add some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. I cover my pot and let all the ingredients mix well for about 20 minutes.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to check out my recipes for meats that go perfectly well with kapusta z grzybami, schnitzels or kotlets schabowe. Please leave me some comment and give me thumbs up for more Polish and sometimes not so Polish recipes. Please consider subscribing. Thank you for being with me today. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everyone.